This is my 2017 Lexus LS460, and today we're going to update the maps. I went to the dealership today and I picked up this here. See if that's, there you go, part number PT219-GEN08-18. This is the 2018 maps. Now I know it's 2019, it's actually June of 2019. I asked the rep at Lexus, I'm like, hey, why do you have 2018 maps in June of 2019? And the rep says, well, the maps come out every year in September. So he says, if you can hold off till September, hold off till September. I kind of can't hold off till September. I want to get my maps updated right now. So he said, I've probably got 2016 maps in here. This memory card, I think, was $210. And I asked the rep, what do I do? Do I have to do anything interactive wise to the system? He told me, no, you should just be able to put the memory card in. So let's give this a try. $210, says Japan on it, and it also has Lexus across the bottom. Just in case you were wondering, the map, you push this little button and there's the micro SD card. Right next to it, it says the word map. So let's go ahead and start the car. So we'll go through all the screens and we'll go ahead and take the memory stick out. Unable to access the SD card on which the software is installed. Some functions will not work properly. Please insert the SD card again. All right, so this is the new card. We're gonna go ahead and put it inside that little opening there. And it just latched into place. The screen's blinking. That message cleared itself. We'll click on map. Anyways, it didn't appear to pull up any prompts or messages. It just cleared the screen and I clicked on maps and it worked. So updating the maps on your 2017 Lexus LS460 is just as simple as swapping the memory card out.